Welcome back to English Real Talks, everyone. I'm the professor, and today we're talking about something that brings people together across every culture, food.
Yum. I'm already hungry. Hi, everyone. I'm Jessica. You know, food is such a universal thing, but somehow when people try to talk about it in English, they freeze.
Exactly. Someone asks, "What's your favorite food?" And suddenly, silence. You know the answer in your heart, but your brain forgets the words.
Totally. It's like I eat every day, but when it's time to describe my favorite dish in English, poof, words disappear.
That's what we'll fix today. We'll learn how to talk about food naturally, like a real conversation, not like a grammar exercise.
And we'll add stories, emotions, and those small cultural details that make your English sound alive.
All right, Jessica, let's begin simply. What's your favorite food?
Okay, don't laugh. It's ramen. Spicy, steaming, full of flavor. It's my comfort food on rainy days.
Ah, ramen, a wise choice. Simple yet soulful.
What about you, Professor?
I'd say a classic homemade sandwich. Fresh bread, soft cheese, and a little crunch from lettuce. It reminds me of my college days.
So we've got ramen and sandwiches. Asia meets the West. That alone could start an interesting conversation.
Exactly. Learners can start the same way. Don't just say, "I like pizza." Add a reason. For example, "I love ramen because it's warm and comforting."
Yes, the why makes your answer real. Without it, it's just information. With it, it's personality.
Let's give a few examples for practice. Repeat after us. "I love pasta because it reminds me of family."
I like spicy noodles because they wake me up.
Perfect. You can use adjectives like sweet, spicy, creamy, crunchy, salty, or fresh to describe food.
Like, I love ice cream because it's sweet and creamy.
Or, "I enjoy fried chicken because it's crispy outside and juicy inside."
I can almost hear the crunch.
That's the point. Use sensory words. Describe what you see, smell, taste, or feel.
For example, the soup smells amazing. The bread feels warm. The noodles taste spicy.
Well said. Remember, English isn't only grammar, it's emotion.
And tone matters. When you talk about your favorite food, smile. People can hear the smile in your voice.
Nicely put. Now, food is also one of the easiest small talk topics.
Yes, when you meet someone new, you can ask, "What kind of food do you like?" Or, "Do you like spicy food?"
Great opening questions. Let's build a mini conversation together.
Sure. What's your favorite food?
I really like pasta. What about you?
I love sushi. It's light and fresh.
Simple, natural, and warm. That's how real talk sounds.
And you can add memories too. Like, I love pizza because my dad used to make it every Sunday.
Beautiful. When you add emotion, people connect to you, not just your words.
Let's share more useful phrases.
Good idea. You can say, "I'm a big fan of," example, "I'm a big fan of Thai food."
Or, I can't live without coffee. That's me, 100%.
Same here. Another phrase, "I'm craving," for example, "I'm craving noodles right now."
Let's practice together. Everyone watching, repeat after us. I'm a big fan of pasta.
I can't live without tea.
I'm craving chocolate.
Excellent. Now, sometimes we try food we don't like. How do we talk about that politely?
Oh, I have a story. I once tried sea urchin sushi in Japan. The texture was strange.
Ah, yes, unique indeed. You could say, "I tried it once, but it wasn't for me." That's polite.
So instead of saying, I hate it, say, it's not really my thing.
Exactly. Here are 3 soft ways to say you don't like something. "I'm not a big fan of." "It's not really my thing." Or, "I don't usually eat."
Like, I'm not a big fan of spicy food, or I don't usually eat fast food.
Those sound kind and natural. Politeness adds warmth to any conversation.
Speaking of warmth, my favorite smell is coffee in the morning. That aroma makes me feel alive.
For me, it's soup on a cold night. The steam, the smell, it feels like peace.
Aw, that's so cozy. See, food is about feelings, not just flavor.
True. Let's teach a few more sensory examples. The bread smells fresh. The juice tastes sweet. The cookie feels soft.
Perfect for describing experiences.
All right, learners, your turn. What's your favorite food? Write it in the comments. Use one of these phrases. I love blank because blank.
And say it out loud too. Feel it in your voice.
Because learning English is like cooking. The more you try, the better it tastes.
That's deep, Professor.
Thank you. Now let's imagine you're in a restaurant. The waiter says, "Are you ready to order?" What do you say?
Panic. Just kidding. You say, yes, I'd like, or can I have?
Right. I'd like a bowl of noodles, please. Or can I have the salad?
Don't forget, please. It's tiny but powerful.
Absolutely. If you want to change something, use with or without. Example, can I have it without onions? Or can I have it with extra cheese?
Let's do a quick role play. I'll be the customer, you be the waiter.
All right. Good evening. Are you ready to order?
Yes, I'd like the grilled fish, please.
Would you like any sides with that?
Yes, mashed potatoes, please.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
Just water, thank you.
Excellent. Your order will be ready soon. See? That's how natural restaurant English sounds.
Yeah, polite, simple, confident.
You can also say, I'll take. Example, I'll take the chicken curry, please.
So we have 3 useful patterns. I'd like, can I have, and I'll take.
Exactly. Let's practice together. Repeat after us. I'd like a coffee, please. Can I have a sandwich? I'll take the pasta.
You sound like a pro already.
Now, sometimes the food isn't perfect. How do we handle that kindly?
Oof, that's tricky. Maybe say, excuse me, this is a bit too salty for me.
Perfect. Or, could I have it a little warmer, please?
Instead of, this is wrong, say, I think there's a small mistake.
It's polite but clear. Exactly. Respectful communication builds confidence.
And when someone invites you to dinner, be gracious. Before eating, say, it looks delicious or it smells amazing.
After eating, you can say, thank you for the meal, or it was lovely.
These small phrases make a big difference.
Speaking of comfort, Jessica, what's your comfort food?
Definitely rice with butter and eggs. Simple, but it tastes like home.
For me, it's lentil soup. My mother made it whenever I was tired.
So food isn't just flavor, it's memory.
Precisely. Let's give our learners examples of how to express that. I love pancakes because my dad used to make them on Sundays. Spaghetti reminds me of my trip to Italy. Hot chocolate makes me feel like a child again.
That's storytelling, not just speaking English.
Storytelling brings emotion into language, and emotion makes it memorable.
Let's do a vocabulary spotlight now.
Great idea. 7 words you can use to describe food naturally. Savory, rich, not sweet. Example, I love savory snacks like fries. Tender, soft, easy to chew. Example, the meat is tender and juicy. Crunchy, crisp sound. Example, I like crunchy cookies. Flavorful, full of taste. Example, this soup is flavorful. Spicy, hot with strong flavor. Indian curry is spicy. Fresh, new or natural. Example, the salad tastes fresh. Rich, heavy, strong flavor. This chocolate cake is rich.
Repeat after us.
savory, tender, crunchy, flavorful, spicy, fresh, rich.
Nice rhythm. Let's make short sentences. I love tender steak. I prefer spicy noodles. I enjoy fresh juice in the morning.
Excellent. You can also recommend food using these words. You should try this soup. It's warm and flavorful.
Or, this salad is so fresh and crunchy.
Beautifully said. You know, Professor, I like how food words bring energy to English.
Yes, and here's a mindset reminder. Learning English is like cooking. The first time, you might burn it. The second time, it's better. And the third, it's delicious.
Haha, exactly. Mistakes are part of the recipe.
Every wrong word adds flavor to your growth.
Okay, learners, take a moment. What food reminds you of home? Say it out loud.
And write it in the comments using I love blank because blank.
Now, let's make your English sound more native with idioms.
Ah, yes. Food idioms are everywhere. Let's start. Piece of cake. It means very easy. Example, that test was a piece of cake.
Spill the beans to tell a secret. Come on, spill the beans. What happened?
Cool as a cucumber. Very calm. Example, she stayed cool as a cucumber during the meeting.
Big cheese. Important person. He's the big cheese in the company.
Have a lot on your plate means you're busy. I can't hang out today. I have a lot on my plate.
Let's repeat. Piece of cake. Spill the beans. Cool as a cucumber. Big cheese. Have a lot on your plate.
Excellent. Using idioms makes your English sound rich and cultural.
Totally. You sound like you understand the soul of the language, not just the words.
Now, let's talk culture. When you travel, food habits change everywhere.
Yes, in Japan, people say itadakimasu before eating. It means thank you for the meal.
In Italy, they spend hours around the table sharing stories, not just eating.
That's beautiful. Food connects people beyond language.
And English helps you express that connection globally.
Here are a few travel-friendly food phrases. Everything looks delicious. Or, thank you. This is wonderful.
And if you're full, say, I'm full. Thank you. It was really good.
Simple, polite, and warm.
Every meal teaches gratitude. Every word teaches connection.
I like that. Even English learning has flavors. Some lessons are sweet, some spicy, but all help you grow.
Exactly. Let's do one final practice. Repeat after us. I love cooking because it brings people together. My favorite food reminds me of home. I enjoy trying new dishes when I travel.
Nicely done. You're not just learning English, you're learning to express life.
And remember, perfection isn't the goal. Connection is.
Yes, every word you say builds confidence.
Confidence is the secret ingredient of fluent English.
Whether you love noodles, rice, or pizza, talk about it. Share your feelings. That's how your English becomes alive.
Before we close, let's do one more mini vocabulary spotlight.
Ooh, bonus round.
Delicious, very tasty. Example, this cake is delicious. Yummy, informal version. Example, these cookies are yummy.
Appetizing, looks or smells good. Example, that soup looks appetizing. Bland, no strong flavor. Example, the rice tastes bland. greasy, too oily. Example, fast food can be greasy.
Healthy, good for your body. Example, salad is a healthy choice.
Guilty pleasure, something you love but feel a bit bad about. Example, chocolate is my guilty pleasure. Now let's say them together slowly. Delicious, yummy, appetizing, bland, greasy, healthy, guilty pleasure.
Great pronunciation, everyone.
You've learned so much today. Now you can describe food, share memories, use idioms, and order politely in restaurants.
Most importantly, you've learned to speak with feeling, because English without emotion is like food without flavor.
That's beautiful, Professor.
Thank you, Jessica. So, everyone watching, your challenge today, write 5 sentences in the comments about your favorite food. Use phrases like, I love blank because blank, or I'm craving blank right now.
And don't stop here. Watch our next video. Learn English at the Supermarket Daily English Conversation Practice to keep your English growing in real-life situations.
Until next time, stay curious, stay kind, and keep your words warm, like your favorite meal.
This is Jessica.
And this is the Professor. Thanks for learning with English Real Talks. See you soon.